But we are so happy today. This is the first ever time that we have an IDC Connect. We were waiting for such an occasion for that we can share our difficulties with the IDC. And today, the new chairman, MD, has really given us such a great, opportunity for sharing our difficulties with the IDC. Because that was in the presence of chairman and the minister. And all the three have given wonderful support to us. That is the greatest achievement of this thing for us. Because Sankol Industrial Estate is the first industrial estate in Goa. And it was in a wonderful, excellent condition. But unfortunately, because of the mining and the shipping difficulties, the whole thing has been closed up. And we are in a very bad shape today. A lot of infrastructure problem and security problems, which has been really taken in a positive way by the MD, chairman, and the industry. We are sure with their positive approach, that industrial estate will be the number one again back in back.
जयपूर दिसा सांग चार्ज घेतलो तो आजपासून आणि सिरियसली आम्ही एक इशू घेतला आणि आम्ही सगळे इशू घेऊन आम्ही सोल्युशन दितले आमगे विश 100% सगळे सोल्युशन दिवपाक बट may not be 100 but at least 90% we will touch address kotle and we also want something from the industry back. We want them to employ people, locals. We want them to employ ones, which we are demanding also from them, and we are giving them all the facilities. Taking all issues right from small to big, we want to tackle it. Eight issue halle even आता issue हा even MD ते target करताय MD पासून ते जे personal हे जाता there are inside and outside people, inside the IDC and outside the IDC, but as a chairman I am ready to take on head on गेल बगर solution जायना. To settle any problem you have to rise above the problem if you want to settle the problem. If you don't rise, if you keep emotions aside and take the bull by the horns, that is in reality a lot of things happen and we are ready to do it come what may.
Security issues, development of roads within the industrial estate, development of lighting, development of common facilities. We are looking into all those aspects, all those problems, and I am sure in a time bound matter I will see that they are resolved, and again it will be on the march to become one of the best industrial estates. Most important of all, I want to thank Mr. Sanjay Satadekar. He is also one of the unit owners there. He has one in a large industry there. But we wanted a new road. We are not getting land. He is the owner of the land. So graciously he has agreed to give us land for a new entrance and a new road connecting from Beats Pilani side to the Sankwal Industrial Estate. So I want to specially make a mention and thank him for his graciousness. It shows that even politicians have a large heart. He may be a politician and an industrialist, but he has a large heart to help his fellow industry, the entire Sankwal industrial estate. So I thank him in advance. I also thank the chairman, Mr. Reginaldo Lorenzo, for coming here in spite of so many difficulties, which shows his commitment to bring about a change in the functioning of IDC, which is going to go a long way in promoting industry. My thanks also to Mr. Pravimal Abhishek, our MD, because of whom this IDC Connect program is today a big success. And I will know that it is a true success once all problems of IDC in Sankwal Industrial Estates get resolved, and I am sure that it will happen. And I want to thank all the others present here, from the captains of industry, association president, then from this GCCI as well as GSI, all these people who have come here. And I'm sure after seeing what result come, they will be even more happier.